Today I'm at SoFi Stadium in 2026. Behind me, the Turk-USA game is about to start, that are way crazier than just watching the game, even though that sounds really exciting. Believe it or not, in a few minutes I'll be visiting this stadium while it's still an empty lot. My year this time is 2016, when this project was just beginning. If I succeed, we will witness construction of this futuristic studio firsthand. Who do you think will win?
Türkiye! USA!
I know the answer, but ruining the timeline is a bad idea. Okay, time to do another time maneuver. Ah! Guys, my head feels a little dizzy. Guys, we managed to maneuver to the time where SoFi Stadium was starting to be built. Sir, if I told you this place would be the 2026 World Cup Stadium, would you believe it?
Well, if you're from the future, you might know the answer, but it's a bit impossible.
Guys, you have to see this. Original blueprint. The entire stadium we saw in 2026 is a drawing on paper right now. And the craziest part is, I already know what the final result will look like. Okay, I'll give you a little spoiler. This place, which is still full of dirt and heavy equipment, one day, it will be filled with tens of thousands of spectators. And the people behind me have no idea what's gonna happen. Being a time traveler is like watching a movie where I know the ending. Okay, I'm going back to 2026 now. 3, 2, 1. Wait, this never happened before. It usually works.